Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set the firmware settings on the docking station to allow high power delivery through the USB-A ports so you can charge your iPad or other devices. So what you're going to do is you're going to find a paper clip. I'm just using a SIM card tool, and we're going to go into that hole right there. We're going to hold it for 5 seconds and pull up. When that comes up, we're going to click the button until we get to BC 1.2. We're going to hold it for 3 seconds on each on. Awesome. We're going to navigate down to the restart button. Hold it down there. Lift up and the device should restart. Now you'll be able to charge your iPad using the USB-A ports.